Have to be Japan for the Toyota, Nissan, their drift scene. It's going to be one of the most amazing car scenes in the world that you could have. Oh, just a Toyota Land Cruiser, something pretty built and just unique, something different. So nothing you can really buy off the showroom or anything like that. Working under cars on the hoist, it's always been a problem, but you know, you got to get through it, just do what you can. So Toyotas as a general, but like probably more specifically like the Hiluxes, the older Hiluxes are simple, just, you know, everything's pretty easy to get to, nothing's too overly complicated. So in 10 years, not much will change, I don't think. I think there'll still be internal combustion engines and things such as that, but they might change different routes, but I don't think it'll change drastically anytime soon. So I don't even know, just learn new things, honestly, just learn stuff we've never done before and just, yeah, keep improving.